locally called Palawan. Same with their tribes name po, ang tawag din ay Palawan. Okay? Is it okay po? Antayin lang natin
So
yung iba
they
ng konti.
all
Native. Native sila dali.
ay no. So dira na ilang life. Food nila.
Provided by the council.
Wow.
Ayan, nandyan po sa kanilang bahay nakalagay Lambuscaw Ato Banwang
Bisudis na
Palawan.
mama.
Tuloy po kayo sa bahay ng Palawan. At nandyan din po sa kanilang board yung kanilang ancient alphabet code. Ibanan. Sad to say that's a dying alphabet na po since elders na lang yung nakakaalam. But good thing we have a livelihood program because through this livelihood program, napapag-aralan po din nila at tinuturoan nila yung mga kaapu-apuhan nila. Okay, again po, this is not a show. We call this cultural sharing. And here po sa Palawan, we have three major tribes. First are the Tagbanwa from central to north. Second po, yung mga Batak, sila ay nakatira sa northern part ng Puerto Princesa City. And sila po yung pangatlo na Palawan tribe. If you heard about the Tabonman or Caveman, they are the possible descendants. And they are the original inhabitants of the southern part Palawan. So nakatira po sila sa Brook, sa Batanasa, sa Rizal, doon po sa southern part ng Palawan. And since 1976 po, this village, the tribal village became their temporary home or shelter. So temporary only because some of them stay here for a couple of weeks, yung iba po for a month. Yung iba nga po days only, they stay
Iyato
here
dito,
for
iyato
only
dito.
1 to 3 days. And then they go back in the mountain. It's about 200 kilometers away from here. Yeah, that far po. And it will take 3 hours to 5 hours bago po kayo makarating doon. And another 5 hours kung maglalakad po kayo papunta doon sa life nila doon sa mountain. And what we have here is a live feed program since we noticed that the tribes culture and tradition are now slowly disappearing. Unti-unti pong nawawala and that's because of life's modernization. But good thing po again, we have a live feed program. Through this live feed program, napapag-aralin po yan nila ulit and they also share it sa mga local and foreign tourists like you. Again, this is not a show, we call this cultural sharing. Pabili na bagtimangan. Okay, you may hold it. Pwede niyo pong hawakan at ipasa sa katabi. Yan po yung kanilang traditional product called Bagtik.
Si Bantik.
Bagtik. So, nanggaling po yan sa dagta ng malaking puno ng almasiga. At first po, yan ay sticky liquid lamang. After a few weeks or a month, it became solid like that. Magiging ganyan po siya ka-solid or katigas. And that is the right time to harvest po. And then